Muscle Car Corner here, bringing you another GM product. I love these Coppos. Full-on drag car, no VIN. And, well, it's partial VIN, not a complete VIN. Well, I can see it's a 17 supercharged 350, one of 42 of 69 they produced in 2017. It's a carbon force air hood, wheelie bars, dual batteries. These cars come ready to race. Just like back in the day with the Coppos that you've seen earlier videos of ones that the gentleman who had that one forever, the white one's got so much patina on it. That one's really neat. Look at my video on that. But this is what it turned into. GM figured they'd come back out, and they had a version of 350 and 427 on it, LS motors in them. They are nasty. These cars are quick. Looks like this car went to 74,000, and the bid goes on. So let's take a look at the interior on it. Full-on drag car here again. I wish these were street legal, because it'd be super cool to be driving one of these on the street with little tread tires on it. It says slicks, where you could get out and thrash this thing and go get some groceries in it. So I love these Coppos. They're super cool. I love these Camaros. You know, I just wish GM would have made them where we could drive them on the street, you know. So that's what I would do with it. But you'd have to put mirrors on it and whatnot. I love the weld wheels, the Hoosier tires. Take a look at where the mirrors should be. They have caps on them. You want this thing to be slick through the air. You go through the quarter mile. Probably, I think they're in the 9s with these cars, or 8s. It comes just like this from GM. And I tell you what, I love them, man. They are so cool. So, let's see if I can get the hood open on this one. Oh, there we go. We got a glass hood on it. Copo bit insignia on it. Bow tie. It's got a Whipple. Kevin Weidman assembled this motor for GM. These are all hand-built cars. Dry sump oil systems on them. Keep that oil cool, keep the motor cooler. It's all about keeping that motor cool. More horsepower, cooler it is. You know, it's got some really neat stuff on it. A lot of engineering goes into these cars by GM to build a factory drag car and put it out on the showroom floor. So kudos to GM on this. I think it's super cool, and that's what it all there goes. So I wanted to bring this car to you. I think it's very special, and it's one that I'd like to have. So 2 thumbs up on this Copo.